Hi friends, let us solve some very basic statements in trigonometry. We'll use very basic relations like tan A equals sin A by cos A, sin square A plus cos square A equals 1. Such kind of basic relationships. Right. These are very basic. These, just little algebraic manipulations, which we need, that skill we need as we progress in trigonometry. As we go for more advanced exercises, that skill we need it really much. Right. Let us prove these basic statements. Right. For example, cosecant A by cosecant A minus 1 plus cosecant A by cosecant A plus 1 equals to secant square A. Right, we have to convert everything into secant. Let us simply do the cross multiplication. We get cosecant A into cosecant A plus 1. That becomes cosecant square A plus cosecant A like this plus this cross multiplication, that is cosecant square A minus cosecant A. Right. Then this cosecant minus and this plus, this will cancel. We'll have 2 cosecant square A by cosecant square A minus 1. What is cosecant square A minus 1? It is cot square. Right. Cosecant square A equals 1 plus cot square. We already know this. This is very basic, right? We are using only very basic things here. So 2 cosecant square by cot square A. Cot square A is cos square by sin square. Right. So cos square in denominator and sin square in numerator. Sin square A and cosecant square A. These two will cancel each other. Why? Cosecant square A equals 1 by sin square A. Right. These two will cancel each other. We'll be left with 2 by cos square A. 1 by cos square A is secant square A. Right. Secant A is 1 by cos A. So 2 by cos square A equals secant square A. Right. That's how we just wrote. We did nothing. Just very basic algebraic manipulation. And we used this cosecant square A minus 1 equals cot square A. This result we already know. Right, let us do one more example. Cosecant A by cot A plus tan A equals cos A. We have to convert everything to cos A. Right. So let us cot A and tan A. What is tan A? 1 by cot A. Or what is cot A? 1 by tan A. Right. Cosecant A is 1 by sin A. So let us take this and this one let us write it as tan A plus 1 by tan A. Right. Then this becomes cosecant A by tan A plus 1 by tan A. This, if we do the multiplication, tan square A plus 1 by tan A. Right. This becomes, the denominator becomes. What then this tan A we can take it to the top. So this becomes cosecant A into tan A by tan square A plus 1. We know secant square A equals 1 plus tan square A. Right, we already know the secant square A minus 1 equals tan square A. So this is important here. We should remember these relations. We should commit to memory these relations. These are very basic, like sin square theta, sin square A plus cos square A equals 1. Likewise, secant square A minus tan square A equals 1. We should commit this to memory. Right. Now what has this become? Cosecant A times what is tan A? Sin A by cos A. Right. By what is tan square A plus 1? Which is secant square A. Now cosecant A into sin A. These are reciprocals, right? Cosecant A is 1 by sin A. Right. So this and this will cancel each other. So we'll be left with 1 by cos A. 1 by cos A into secant square A. But secant A is again 1 by cos A. So one of the secant square, one of the secant A we can cancel. Right. So cos A and one of the secant A will cancel. So we'll be left with 1 by secant A, which is equal to cos A. Right. We did very basic algebraic manipulations and we just use this one extra. Right. Let us look at one more problem. Secant A plus cos A times secant A minus cos A equals tan square A plus sin square A. This is what we have to prove. Right. If you just open this bracket, if you just do the multiplication, what we get? This is A plus B into A minus B form. Right. So we get A square minus B square. That is secant square A minus cos square A. Right. We want tan square A and we want sin square A. What is tan square A? It is secant square A minus 1. What is sin square A? It is 1 minus cos square A. So what we do here, let's just add 1 and subtract 1, right, to this relation. To the left hand side, let's just add and subtract 1. Then basically we are adding nothing. But just to get this in this form. So then let's take this minus 1 with secant square A and this plus 1 with cos square A. So we get secant square A minus 1 plus 1 minus cos square A. What is this? Secant square A minus 1? It is tan square A, right? We know this, right? We should remember this. Secant square a minus 1 is tan square a. We already proved this also. Otherwise, if you don't know this proof, why secant square a minus 1 is tan square a, or why 1 minus cos square a is sin square a, please comment below the video. We'll discuss that also. Right, yes. So secant square a minus 1 is tan square a, and 1 minus cos square is sin square a. This is the relation that we wanted to prove. Right, yes. Let us do one more. 1 by cot A plus tan A equals sin A cos A. This is what we have to prove. Cot A and tan A, we have to get in sin A and cos A format. What is cot A? 1 by tan A, right? This denominator will become 1 by tan A plus tan A whole by 1 by tan A plus tan A. So this we can write it as, if we multiply this tan A and tan A, we can write it as 1 plus tan square A by tan A. This tan A we can take it in numerator. So this becomes tan A by 1 plus tan square A. What is 1 plus tan square A? We already know. Secant square A minus 1 is tan square A. Right? So 1 plus tan square A is secant square A. So tan A by secant square A. What is tan A? Sin A by cos A. Sin A by cos A. What is secant square A? Secant square is 1 by cos square A. Right? This cos A, and one of this, there are two cos A's, right? One of them we can cancel. So we'll be left with one sin A and one cos A. So sin A cos A. Right. Simple algebraic manipulation, just that we need to know secant square A minus 1 is tan square A. Secant square A is 1 plus tan square A. Let us do one more. 1 by secant A minus tan A equals secant A plus tan A. Very, very basic. We know secant square A minus tan square A is 1. Basically, right? Sorry. This is very, very basic. One, we can write it as secant square A minus tan square A, right? Secant square A minus tan square A is 1. This is in the form of A minus A square minus B square. We can write it as A minus B into A plus B, right? And then we write it as secant A minus tan A into secant A plus tan A divided by secant A minus tan A. This secant A minus tan A and this 2 we can cancel this and this. We'll be left with secant A plus tan A. That is this, which is what we wanted to prove. Right, yes. We have used very, very basic relationships, that is secant square A minus tan square A equals 1, or sin square A plus cos square equals 1. Very, very basic relations. Hope you got some understanding about this. Right, let's do more in the coming lessons, coming sessions. Right, please do practice. And as we move into advanced trigonometry, this skill is very much essential for us. Thank you.